what means accounting and what means auditing. Accounting, as we know, the process to record data and to present financial information. And we have the two directions: financial accounting for investors, for stakeholders, and management accounting, cost accounting, yes, for internal decision and internal control. Okay, and auditing as a process of examination. And in final, the auditing and the audit mission gives the opinion regarding financial position and performance. And you have the audit opinion that describes if financial statement were prepared respecting an accounting regulation or accounting framework that is applicable for a certain economy or state. So what is interesting in auditing to assess the quality of financial information. If financial statements contain errors, if financial statements contain frauds or not. That's the work of the auditor. How much it costs an auditing mission? How much?
A lot.
200,000.
Of late?
It's a standard price, or it's according
No.
to the size of the company?
You don't have here standard. You can Google it. But, for example, for Facebook or for Apple, because as a mission, the auditing mission for an audit report, you have to prepare at least 240 hours for the mission. But for a firm was an international or a multinational firm, yes, the time increased. And for example, in 2010, I guess, the audit fees for a firm was Apple. I guess there were $9 million. I guess it's $9 million. I don't know if it's a great sum or what. 9 million. For Apple, no. But the opinion cost. So why auditing, and what are the explanatory theories? For example, in the past, persons decide to have an audit mission to detect fraud. And we have this policeman theory, or la théorie du gendarme. And he decided that the auditor should act as a policeman to detect fraud. That was an important objective for an auditor. And in the period of Enron, WorldCom, the auditor were paid with large audit fees to detect fraud. That was their mission. Then we have lending credibility theory, and here we can talk about the report between managers and investors, because managers or their work has credibility in face of investors if the financial statements were audited. Yes, my work as a manager is good if financial statements are audited. And if in financial statement I present profit, yes, I obtain profit, but I don't know if it's a true profit or not. Then the theory of inspired confidence, it told that firms that were audited, you as an investor, you can put your money in a firm that have audited financial statements. And then agency theory. Yes, between that, having that agency theory, you know that you have a battle between managers as agents and principals, investors. and managers can be paid if they obtain profit or economic benefits. So, to have profit, they can increase the turnover with accounting schemes and fraud and accounting statements. But here comes the auditor that certify if their work was done best. The evolution. For example, in Romania there is a professor in accounting that told us that we have accounting and proto-accounting. Accounting before Paciolo. Yes, this is proto-accounting. Accounting before Paciolo. And also we can consider that we have proto-auditing, auditing before auditing the work of Paciolo. Because we have in Babylon, in Bible, in Rome, yes, we have this concept, audire, when the auditor was interested to see if the fortune of the king or the fortune of the city is administrated without fraud, yes, the interest of the city. And the auditor search if there were any fraud, and then it comes in Agora, in a public place, and it presents his work. He was listened by the other, audire. From here we have auditing. But the modern auditing came from England. We have in 1815 in United Kingdom International Chartered of England, Wales, UK, CAIF, and then we have in USA the profession, chartered accountant proposed audit test and examination. Then we have audit standards that were proposed to improve the quality of the audit mission, and from 2002 to present moment, also at the European level, we have the 8th directive that was modified last year in 2013 with the directive 34, I guess. Okay, I can discuss about the auditor. What is an auditor? Yes, we know that it's a professional person. What?
So he must be a specialist in accounting.
First in accounting, and secondly in law, in also in statistics, financial analysis. We have to have many skills. You will see that in auditing is not sufficient to know accounting. And in Big Four, big four firms, part of the auditors came from accounting field and part came from law. Yes? Because the most important part of the mission is about procedures, legal procedures, and you have to complete, for example, many papers. Yes? And for this, you don't need an accountant, because accountants have to manage with numbers and to examine numbers. But with this part, you need a person that is expert in law.